Hello guys again. This is a Ford Transit 2015, but it's not the turbo one. This is a regular one, regular engine. A few days ago I started hearing like a noise under the van, and then I watched some YouTube videos and some people said it might be this heat shield over there making the noise. So I tied it up, I drove again, but the noise was still there. And then I said, let me check the wheels to see what's going on. And sure enough, it's moving this way, the wheel, and it's making a little bit of a noise. And the other side is not moving at all. So I have to change the bearing. And it was making the noise when I was getting to 45. It was starting to make the noise, it would stop, and then it would make the noise again, like a grinding noise. So let's do this. My assistant is gonna help me. She's taking the tire off. Make sure you're straight. Alright, okay. Okay, let's see. Make sure it's the right one. Looks like it. Okay, I'm gonna put some W40 here. So I gotta take this off. There's two screws back here, and it looks like it's the same one as these, which is 13 by 16. Yeah. There's two screws like this. I took one out. It's right back here. There's one up here, one down here. Any more air?
We spent the last 5 minutes trying to take it off, but I'm not a car person, but even I can tell this is not working. And I have to sit here filming my father, but I have lost hope. Thank you.
It's out. Last one, we had to use this, go the manual way, go this way, with with this bar. It was so tight. That's it. So now gotta use this. It's a T50. It goes. I need a flashlight. It's coming. Flashlight. I'm gonna try to look in there. Yeah, I see them. And then this goes in there like that. And then hopefully they come out. That's one. So I had to move caliper because I think I have to hit it from the back. So it's gonna come out.
Update. Still no progress. But we will get there eventually. We did it.
So the problem was I forgot to take a screw out. Comes out very easily. You don't have to hit it. There's 5 screws, not 4. And this comes out. Try to hit it. That's it. Oh wow. Yeah. Big time difference. How nice this moves. And this one. Yeah. That's it. There's a sensor here. Be careful not to break it. You see it? It comes from the top. That's it. Let's put it back in. Okay, so we have a small problem. The new one has this like a lip in here and it doesn't go down, so I gotta shave it a little bit in order for this to go down. It's too exact, so I'm gonna have to shave it a little bit and then hopefully we should be fine. But it looks like it's the right part. There's a lip there. Maybe there's one here. this was fine. So let's see. Almost. That's it. It's in. That's how you do it. Actually, maybe before I do this, I should do this first. It's easier. Make sure you clean this with a brake cleaner. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that back. That's it. That's it, everything's back on. I'm gonna test it and see how it sounds. Thank you very much. Let me show you something what we did. This is the old one. We took these out. They go like this. What you do, put a 2x4 right there, and then you hit it with this on top, like this, boom, and it goes down. And then I'm gonna keep these. You never know, I might need them in the future. They're good.